The discovery. The scrapyard on Galera 7 stretched endlessly under the pale glow of twin moons, a cemetery of forgotten dreams and broken machines. Jasper Quinn picked his way through the debris, his trained eye spotting salvageable parts among the wreckage. As a mechanic, he'd learned that one person's junk was another's treasure. Something caught his attention, a glint of metal that didn't belong. Half buried beneath twisted hull fragments lay a ship unlike anything he'd seen. Its sleek curves and aerodynamic design spoke of advanced engineering, while strange glyphs along its hull pulsed with faint light. Zerian, he whispered, recognizing the alien markings. These ships were legendary, fast, resilient, and incredibly rare. What was one doing abandoned in a junkyard? As he brushed away years of accumulated grime, a soft rhythmic pulse emanated from within. The ship was still alive, somehow maintaining a spark of energy after all this time. Jasper's heart raced. This was the find of a lifetime. He squeezed through a gap in the hull, his flashlight cutting through the darkness. The interior was a masterpiece of organic design, smooth lines and bioluminescent panels that flickered weakly under his touch. Everything about it whispered of technology far beyond human understanding. "You've been waiting for someone, haven't you?" he murmured to the silent ship. A low growl from the shadows made him freeze. Golden eyes reflected his flashlight beam as a massive creature stepped forward. Jasper's breath caught. It was a Zerian war dog, engineered for battle and legendary for their loyalty. This one looked battle-scarred and weary, but its protective stance was unmistakable. The creature had been guarding this ship all along. An unlikely alliance. The war dog's growl deepened, but Jasper forced himself to remain calm. He'd heard stories of these creatures, fierce protectors that bonded with their ships and crews for life. This one had been alone for who knows how long, still faithfully guarding its charge. "Easy there, big guy," Jasper said softly, slowly lowering himself to appear less threatening. "I'm not here to hurt you or your ship." The creature's massive frame bristled, muscles coiled and ready to spring. But something in Jasper's voice, perhaps the genuine respect he felt for both guardian and ship, seemed to register. The growling softened slightly. Jasper reached into his tool bag and pulled out a small container of nutrient paste, emergency rations he always carried. He placed it on the floor and slid it forward. "You must be hungry." The war dog sniffed cautiously before approaching. As it licked the paste, Jasper noticed the exhaustion in its golden eyes, the way its breathing labored. This magnificent creature had been surviving on its own, never abandoning its post. "I'm going to call you Argos," Jasper said, remembering ancient Earth legends of faithful guardians. "And I'm going to fix your ship." Argos raised his head, studying Jasper with an intelligence that seemed almost human. When the mechanic stood and gestured toward the damaged systems, the war dog didn't growl. Instead, he followed Jasper's movements with keen interest. The next morning, Jasper returned with his tools and spare parts. Argos was waiting exactly where he'd left him, as if he'd never moved. Together, they began the delicate work of bringing the ship back to life. To Jasper's amazement, Argos proved to be more than just a guardian. He was an active partner in the restoration, nudging tools closer and somehow sensing which systems needed attention first. Restoration and danger. Days blended into each other as Jasper and Argos worked tirelessly on the ship. The mechanic had decided to call her Nomad, and she was responding beautifully to their efforts. Bioluminescent panels glowed brighter each day, and the power core's rhythmic pulse grew stronger. Argos proved invaluable. His intelligence was remarkable. He would retrieve specific tools with uncanny accuracy and even alert Jasper to problems with sharp barks. The bond between man and alien creature deepened with each shared success. "You're better than most assistants I've had," Jasper laughed one afternoon as Argos pushed a diagnostic scanner toward him with his nose. "Smarter too." Late one evening, while working on the propulsion systems, Argos began pawing at a section of the floor. Curious, Jasper pried it open to reveal a hidden compartment containing a small crystalline device that pulsed with faint light. "A memory core," Jasper breathed, recognizing the Zerian technology. This could be the key to unlocking her full potential. When they integrated the memory core into the ship's central system, the cockpit filled with a melodic voice, "System reboot initiated. Welcome back, Guardian." Argos let out an approving rumble, his golden eyes gleaming with satisfaction. The ship was truly coming alive. But their work hadn't gone unnoticed. As the sun set, Argos's ears perked up, and he growled at something in the distance. From the far end of the junkyard, armed scavengers emerged, drawn by rumors of the valuable Zerian ship. "Nice find, mechanic," their leader called out with a cruel grin. "Too bad it's ours now." Jasper stepped protectively in front of Nomad. "Not a chance." The scavengers advanced, weapons gleaming, but Argos stepped forward with a menacing snarl. His battle-scarred form and fierce loyalty were unmistakable. He would protect both ship and mechanic at any cost. The scavengers, suddenly uncertain, retreated into the night with muttered curses. "Guess I owe you one," Jasper said, patting Argos's shoulder as the dust settled. Taking flight. With Nomad systems fully operational and her memory core reactivated, the moment of truth had arrived. The morning was crisp and still as Jasper ran through final pre-flight checks. Argos sat near the ship's ramp, his gaze fixed on the mechanic with an intensity that spoke of years of patient waiting. "Engine stable, navigation online, life support functioning," Jasper muttered, his hands moving expertly over the restored controls. The bioluminescent panels pulsed with steady light, and the ship's AI responded to his every command. He looked at Argos, who had been his constant companion through every phase of the restoration. "Ready for this, boy?" Argos's tail thumped once against the ground, the closest thing to a smile the war dog could manage. Jasper initiated the startup sequence. Nomad's engines hummed to life with a sound like distant thunder, and slowly, gracefully, the ship lifted from her resting place in the junkyard. For the first time in years, she was flying again. The view from the cockpit was breathtaking. Galera 7 spread out below them, the junkyard looking small and insignificant from above. But it was more than just the scenery that moved Jasper, it was the knowledge that he and Argos had accomplished something incredible together. As they soared through the planet's atmosphere, the ship's AI spoke again, Guardian protocols active. New crew recognized and accepted. Jasper glanced at Argos, who was standing at the viewport, his golden eyes reflecting the stars beyond. "Looks like we're officially a team now." The war dog's response was a contented rumble that seemed to echo the ship's own satisfied hum. They had given each other purpose. Jasper had found a ship worthy of his skills, Argos had found new companions to protect, and Nomad had found a crew worthy of her legacy. But their journey was just beginning. As they flew toward the outer rim of the solar system, Jasper couldn't help but wonder what adventures awaited them among the stars. New horizons. Months had passed since that first flight, and the unlikely crew of Nomad had become legendary throughout the outer colonies. Jasper's reputation as a master mechanic had spread, but it was the sight of him working alongside his faithful Zerian guardian that truly captured people's imagination. They had discovered that Nomad wasn't just any ship, she had been a diplomatic vessel, designed to carry ambassadors between distant worlds. Her memory banks contained star charts to civilizations that most humans had only heard whispered about in spacer bars. Argos had adapted to space travel remarkably well, his protective instincts extending to every port they visited and every client they served. The war dog's presence ensured that their reputation remained spotless, few were willing to cheat or threaten a crew protected by such a formidable guardian. One evening, as they orbited a small mining colony where Jasper had just completed repairs on their processors, he sat in the ship's common area with Argos at his feet. The war dog had grown sleeker and healthier over their months together, his coat now gleaming and his movements sure and strong. "You know, old friend," Jasper said, scratching behind Argos's ears, "when I found you in that junkyard, I thought I was just salvaging a ship. I never expected to find a family." Argos looked up at him with those intelligent golden eyes and let out a soft woof of contentment. The ship's AI chimed softly, incoming transmission. Priority diplomatic channel. Jasper straightened. They'd been contacted by representatives of the Zerian Council, Argos's own people. After years of isolation, they wanted to make contact with the human who had restored one of their sacred vessels and earned the loyalty of one of their guardians. As they set course for the Zerian homeworld, Jasper realized that their greatest adventure was still ahead of them. What had started as a simple salvage operation in a forgotten junkyard had become something far more significant, a bridge between two species, built on mutual respect and an unbreakable bond of friendship. Argos stood at the viewport as they jumped to hyperspace, his reflection ghost-like in the transparent aluminum. For the first time in years, he was going home, but he wasn't going alone. He was bringing his pack with him. The end.